How to turn off toll roads in Google Maps. Here's how to do it. First, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Enter your destination in the search bar, then tap Directions. Choose your preferred mode of transportation, such as driving. Before starting navigation, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Next, tap Route Options. Now, turn on the toggle next to Avoid Tolls. If you'd also like to avoid highways or ferries, you can enable the Avoid Highways or Avoid Ferries options from the same menu. Once you've selected your preferences, Google Maps will recalculate your route and try to avoid toll roads whenever possible. Keep in mind that avoiding tolls may increase your travel time or distance. And that's it. You've successfully turned off toll roads in Google Maps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, app tutorials, and how-to videos.